Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're shooting a video without Alex because he's busy doing other things and I've got a little project I need to take care of, so we're going to work on my truck. My name's David. I'm Alex's buddy. We've been friends since high school and clearly worked on cars and done projects and played with things for many years, and today we're going to work on this blue truck. It's an 86 Chevrolet K10 305 automatic. I've had this truck about a year, and the whole time I've had it, the battery has never been secured, and that's a problem. This morning I was in O'Reilly's picking up some other things, and I stopped into pick up just a generic with the U-bolt, you know, the wing nuts and the U-bolts, and I was just gonna go with that because when I tried to buy the block and bolt from LMC to hold it down properly, those parts have been discontinued. I was pleased to find in O'Reilly's this morning that they have a generic kit, a little hold down blocks with bolts and everything, and I think this is exactly what I need. So let's tear into this box and see what we've got. All right, so the box, this is a Super Start brand piece. This is part number 08787. It was just over there by the battery cables and things like that. And let's open it up and see what we've got. All right, so inside you've got a couple of different blocks, two different styles. In fact, that looks like the hold down block for the later model Chevy pickup. I've got a 2005 GMC Sierra, and that looks like the hold down block for that pickup. This looks like exactly what we need for this old square body Chevrolet. So we're going to try that, and not that one. I think that bolt looks pretty good. Let's give it a shot. All right, so I went ahead and got the block and bolt out, got it ready. Went ahead and grabbed the 9/16 socket with a long extension and a ratchet, and let's see if we can pop the hood and put this all together. All right, got the hood open, and here's our issue. We've got a nice new battery, a somewhat corroded battery tray, and nothing holding the nice new battery into the corroded battery tray. So what we're gonna do is take this little block and drop him down in here. Let's see, get him lined up just right. Hard to see with the camera, but that bolt hole is in place. Now we're gonna take this guy, drop him right in there, run him down. Let's see, for now we'll just go finger tight. All right, and just finger tight. Oh, already so much better. I'm shaking the whole truck. All right, let's put a ratchet on there and see if we can't tighten this thing up and be done. All right, 9/16 socket, long extension. Get that ratchet up and away from our positive terminal. You know, for those of you that never have done any 12-volt welding, I highly recommend not doing it. That may or may not be a voice of experience. But yeah, 12-volt welding is a thing. Not recommended. All right, we're good and tight. Man, that is golden. How about that? $6 O'Reilly's. Way to go. Saved the day. Y'all need to do this so you don't burn your truck up. All right, that wraps it up. Got it all tight. Gonna put the tools away and take this old square body for a ride. That's the most important thing, you know, with these old cars. Take them out and drive them. That's why we've got them. So, beautiful day here in Florida. We're gonna go have a good time. Y'all come back and see Alex again. Maybe he'll show up and it won't be my ugly mug. Y'all have a good day.